Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and those who are new to this channel, kindly make sure that you subscribe to this channel for the latest tech updates and the tech knowledge. So as you know, today is day 2 of the 5 days of the AI agents course, and you might have received this mail for the day 2 where you have the link for the summary podcast, the white paper, and the 2 code labs. So today in this video we're gonna solve the first code lab, which is get started with the anti-gravity CLI. So in the introduction section they have told you how to install the anti-gravity CLI and the anti-gravity. If you don't know how to, just watch the previous video. I will also attach the link of that video here. You can install the anti-gravity CLI and the anti-gravity in very easy steps without any error. So let's move forward to our lab. So here it has told us to create a folder by the name of AGI CLI projects, or any name which you might like. So let me create a folder with the same name. I have created a same folder with the same name, and then just right click on it, show more options, and click on properties. So you will get the exact location of the folder to copy. Just copy this location, open the anti-gravity IDE, click on the new terminal, and write cd in double quotations the location of the folder. Okay, now after hitting enter you will reach inside the folder, but I have to reach another folder inside it. So I will just type the folder name which I have created, cd, and I will press the tab so that I can navigate between the folders. And when I will get that folder, I will just hit enter, and as a result I am inside the folder which I need. Okay, open your Windows PowerShell and remember to run as administrator. Okay, now just copy the command according to your system type. So mine in Windows, so I have copied the Windows command and I have just pasted it in my Windows PowerShell and hit enter, and the required package will be installed. So if you're facing error like me when you type AGY in the terminal, just click on this open folder and open the folder which you have recently created. So mine is in this code playground folder. So it's yeah, it's here. So I'm just selecting this folder and my folder will be open without any errors. Now open the new terminal by clicking on the new terminal and again type AGY. Now you won't get any error. Okay, now as you can see I have not got any error, and it's like signing in. So here basically to customize your code panel, basically changing your colors. You want light, dark, green, red, blue, anything you can choose by navigating up and down. So not complicating too much, I have just kept the default colors, and for this you have to just click on enter, and you have to navigate down. Press the down key and you will be navigated to this previous button. Then press the right key and click on enter, and it's done. Okay, then again press enter and your anti-gravity CLI has been set up. Let's move on to the next step. So the next step has told us to give the query to our anti-gravity CLI. So I've just copied it and pasted it here and hit enter, and it will answer your query. See, it has wrote a code on the artificial intelligence. So here's a sample response. Your response may vary, everyone will have a different response. So let's try other commands, for example /help. Okay, so you can just play around with this, and if you can click on next, you will see more command. For example, here is config, so I will just copy this and paste it here, and you will get to see various config options. And if you're wondering like how am I able to type this, just press escape or enter before typing in the command. Okay, so there's another command which is AGY -help. From here you can get various commands which you can use if you are stuck somewhere. So I have just typed it and hit enter, and again hit enter, and this will give me a list of commands which I can use. For example, print model for letting us know which model are we using. You can also basically change the model according to your needs. Okay, now it's a non-interactive mode. We have just typed AGY -p and our query, and it will answer our query. Just hit enter so that it's yes is selected basically. So it will answer a query and it will take like few minutes. It has answered our query. Now let's move to our code lab, and I said like you can choose a specific model also. So I will just copy the command and I will just paste it here. Now I've selected the Gemini 3.5 flash low, and my this specific model has been selected with the help of this command. Now let's move to the next queries or the next steps in our code lab. Now go back to your code lab and explore as much as you can. Okay, here it has told us that you can deactivate or activate your badge with the help of this exclamation mark. And with this, we are almost towards the end of the lab. Now, at the end of the lab, it has given us a prompt just to build something. So I've just copied it and pasted it here, and let's see what it builds basically. So you just paste the command and wait for some good time till the time it makes your files and writes your code. So as you can see, it has been writing code and making files on its own with just a simple prompt. So this is what they want to show, the new feature of the Antigravity 2.0, that just with a simple prompt you can make the whole project with proper folders, properly organized folders. See, it has made the static which has CSS, style.css, and a template which has index.html, and it also has app.py. So you have done nothing, you know nothing, but with the help of this is known as basically the vibe coding. You just give the prompt and it builds the whole application. So you just wait for some time till it's finished writing its code. And okay, just whenever they ask you option, just hit enter, or the yes you may say, and it okay. So it has basically almost completed with it. Yeah, so it has given me a link. Let's just open this link to see what it has built. So when I click on this link, and if you are wondering like how to click on this link, just press control, hold it, and then click it with the mouse on the link, and this link will be opened. Okay, so see how beautifully it has built an application with just a simple prompt. So this was basically the first lab of the day 2 of the 5 days of the AI agents course, and you can explore more, like go through your ideas, like make new ideas. You just need a new idea and a prompt, and your whole application is built with the help of vibe coding. So I think you also enjoyed this lab as much as I enjoyed. So if you're not sure that whether you have completed this lab or not, just to make it sure, you can see this pop up. Just click on this view profile option, and it will navigate you to the Google developer program, and from here just click on this learning, and you will see the name of the lab which you have recently completed. So this was basically hands-on anti-gravity lab, and you can see the same name there also. Like either you can expand by clicking on the badge details, or you can just scroll up. So this was all for this video, and I hope you guys like this video. So just subscribe my channel, like my video, and do not forget to like my video. Meet you in the next code lab. Till then, take care and bye bye.